How to watch reels in high quality on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Go to Instagram, then on your bottom right corner, you will see your profile icon. Tap on it. Then on the top right corner, go to the menu bar. Go to settings and privacy. After that, scroll down and find data usage and media quality. Now, if you have this data saver on, simply turn it off. Now, when data saver is turned off, videos will load in advanced quality. But if you have the data saver on, it will degrade the quality of video. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.